Hi, my name is Mohammed Amin, an AI automation consultant based in Hyderabad, Pakistan. I helped various businesses eliminate their manual work, reduce their cost, and scale them faster by building AI driven systems that actually work. I have worked across different platforms such as Go High Level, Airtable, Zapier, HubSpot, Notion, Anatan, Stripe, Jira, Live Chat, HubSpot, Follow Up Boss, and so many more. I simply ask one specific question, that is, what is the business? What are the business pain points that the business is suffering from? And then map the complete entire business flow. And I don't just create automation that normally people ask. So I provide the complete solutions. If you are ready to start and stop the manual work, reduce your man hours, and start being efficient, then let's connect. Talk soon. Bye bye.